Hello, it's Krzysiu. Welcome to my tutorial Let It Snow. In this tutorial I will show how to draw snow. So first we must draw snow. Okay, let's start with the star polygon tool. No, not this. We have to select star. Now click somewhere and now you have two nodes to modify it. One is for spoke ratio and second this is for spoke ratio, and this turns these spikes and it's most useful here. Don't use randomized, it's nothing good here. And we can play with rounded. Negative values are cool as well. So let's make a few copies. Oh, and corners. You can play with corners. Okay. Just make it look different. And now just with rounded value. 1 minus 1 and let's change corners and do something special. Okay, duplicate it and make regular polygon, no rounding. And just stroke. It looks better with less of the corners, so let's give it 10 and 10 here as well. Okay, duplicate, okay, oh, something like that. It's not the same color, I know, but okay, now it is, and we have to group it. Now let's make it same size. Let's align it just for convenience here. It's not needed really. Okay, and same size. If you want to add guide, just click here and drag the guide. 1, 2. Okay, they are now about the same size. Now I want it to be gray. Now let's paint a background. Okay. It shouldn't have fill. Okay. Edit, select same. Stroke color, and stroke color will be this one. I'm sorry. Alright, let's make it smaller, 10 pixels or 15. Okay. Okay. We have to select the padlock here. Okay, now it's fine. And the background. Okay, now select those. This should be group. Every object has to be separate, except this, because we want to clone it whole. Okay, select spray tool. Now what we can do, it's spray clones. It seems okay, but if you change the size of it, it will change here as well. So we don't want it. So I'm using usually spray copies. Now with amount, scatter and focus are for distribution of those objects. Rotation here for make it different a bit. We can use 100 scale. It depends if you want bigger and smaller. Well, let's make it 100. And now where to spray it, over no transparent areas and transparent areas. Now it sprays it everywhere. We don't want that, so we turn off this one, and now it doesn't spray at all. Something bad with group happened. Okay. Spray over no transparent areas and just let it spray. Let's make it darker. Oh, this is nice. And now it's sprayed over the non-transparent areas, but the middle of the object is inside, the rest is not, so we can use a simple trick. Just select tool, this basic, and fourth icon, this one, and now as in normal case we have to select whole object to make it selected, but with this we can just select a bit and it will be selected. So let's make it, you can't select the background. Okay, we can delete it or move it as you wish. Okay, now everything is inside, and one thing additional we can do, so let's for convenience change it to black. Now select one of these, edit, select same fill color. Okay, it won't select those, but this is not important now. Or we can just select it all and shift click on the background, and now it's almost all. And now tweak tool, and let's try blur with 10. That's too much for me. Let's make it 5. Okay, and one thing more, jitter the colors. Just remember this is hue, so hue is blue, green, red, etc. Saturation is how the color is intensive, and here we have lightness. It's very similar to value. And opacity, it's how transparent it would be, and we don't want it here. Okay, it's selected, and now just paint over it. Now they change colors, but it doesn't look good for me. So we may try just lightness. The problem with this tool is that it randomly adds or subtracts amount some, and if we randomly add something and then subtract it, it's very likely to be the same as the input value. So it's best to just paint it one time. And now we have more or less beautiful snow. Now we can work with those. It's not star anymore, but rosette, or here we have COVID, and we can spray COVID. It's very nice tool, just you need to play with it. Now look at this. Okay, it's all. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful Christmas and New Year. Goodbye.